Your doors do more than just provide access to your home. They protect your family, enhance curb appeal, and contribute to energy efficiency. Over time, however, even the most durable doors begin to show signs of wear and tear. In Anthem, where heat, dust, and fluctuating temperatures can take a toll on exterior materials, those signs can appear faster than you might expect. If your doors no longer look or perform their best, it may be time to call in the professionals. Here are the most common indicators that your home could benefit from professional door installation. Difficulty opening or closing the door. One of the first and most noticeable signs that it's time for replacement is when your door starts sticking, scraping, or refusing to close properly. In Anthem's dry, warm climate, doors can warp, expand, or contract due to temperature fluctuations. A door that doesn't fit squarely in its frame isn't just frustrating. It can compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Professional installers can assess whether adjustments will help or if it's time for a full replacement. When properly installed, new doors align perfectly, latch smoothly, and operate effortlessly, no matter the weather conditions. Noticeable drafts or rising energy bills. If you feel warm air seeping in during the summer or cool air escaping when your AC is running, your door's weather stripping or insulation may be failing. Drafts are a clear indicator that your door is no longer sealing correctly, allowing outdoor air to infiltrate your home. In Anthem, where cooling costs can skyrocket during the hot months, energy-efficient doors can make a big difference. Modern models feature insulated cores, tight seals, and weather-resistant materials that help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. A professional installation ensures the door is fitted precisely to eliminate leaks and keep your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, and peeling paint aren't just cosmetic issues. They can indicate deeper structural problems. A warped or cracked door can allow moisture and dust to enter, leading to damage around the frame or threshold. In Anthem's desert climate, UV rays and heat can also cause materials like wood to fade or deteriorate over time. If your door looks aged or feels unstable, replacing it with a durable fiberglass or steel model can restore both function and appearance. Professional installers ensure the new door is properly anchored and sealed to withstand daily use and environmental stress. Increased outdoor noise. If you've started noticing more outside noise, passing cars, neighborhood chatter, or wind, your door may have lost its sound insulating capability. Older doors or poorly installed ones often have gaps or hollow cores that let noise travel easily. New energy-efficient doors with solid construction and advanced sealing systems not only block sound but also provide greater insulation and comfort. Professional installation ensures a snug, quiet fit that keeps your interior peaceful even on busy Anthem streets. Security concerns or outdated locks. Your door is one of the most important barriers between your family and the outside world. If it no longer closes tightly, has a loose frame, or shows signs of weakness around the hinges or locks, it could put your home at risk. Modern door systems offer upgraded security features, including reinforced frames, multi-point locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant materials. A professional installer ensures these features are aligned and properly secured, maximizing protection and peace of mind. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, replacement is about more than function, it's about aesthetics. An outdated or faded front door can make your home look older and less inviting. Upgrading to a custom-designed door can instantly transform your exterior, adding personality, elegance, and value. Professionals can help you select styles, finishes, and materials that complement Anthem's desert modern architecture, from sleek glass panels to classic craftsman designs. Final thoughts. If your door is drafty, damaged, or simply past its prime, it may be time to invest in professional door installation. Skilled installers not only guarantee a flawless fit but also ensure your new door performs efficiently, securely, and beautifully. For Anthem homeowners, replacing your door is an opportunity to combine energy efficiency, safety, and style, all while enhancing your home's comfort and value. With professional expertise and the right materials, your new door can handle the desert climate and make a lasting first impression for years to come.